Hi, folks, and welcome back to Adventures in Nodeland. I am back streaming today from, I don't know, camera angle. The teleprompter arrived, so I can actually look at you, look at stuff while I'm doing things. Well, this is the computer, this is OBS, and this is you. I have three screens now. Cool. So if you write in the chat, I can read the chat message just right here. It's great. So I am back streaming, and I'm going to do some small session on Undici Fetch today. So something that I wanted to do for a long time. Doesn't seem like anybody's doing it, so I'm just going to do it and show you the problem, and then um, oh, sorry, this did not work. This is, where is it? Oh yeah, no, it's correct. Okay, but wait. Haha, look at it. There is some odd margin here that should not be there. So, for some reason, don't know why. Look at it. No clue. I remember now why. Okay, good. So here we are. Hi, hello. Optimizing Node.js fetch. So I think I've done Undici. No. So all these GSH are bugs, are security bugs. So okay. So is it fetch? Yeah, fetch flame. Yeah. Okay. So back in the few months ago, I've done this. I took this benchmark, bench.js. Thank you, Adi Super 94. I am very happy that you've been using it and you had such a great time with it. So let me know if you have any questions about Performatic. Always ask me. I am very happy to answer all your questions about Performatic. So great. Okay. So, so this was the benchmark. Okay, and I have done and this is the flame graph. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, the vast majority of stuff is dominated by readable stream. Okay, and HTTP network fetch. Okay, so fetch index.js level at 1700. This is the main one that is consuming, burning all those oil. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So web fetch index. Yeah, maybe this changed. So let's see. We have I think is this one, which is the fetch finale. Fetch finale. So how do we get there? Okay, let's take a look. A lot of people joined. Wow. Okay. Everybody. So when you do a fetch request, okay, so when fetch happen, this is the code that you get. Okay, this is the fetch method. When you get it, it calls new request. Okay. Then It, yep, and you get the inner response. Yep. And then you return P. We return P. Great, the promise. Fine. And this is from inner response. Yep. So, wait. So one is that one. And then, wow. And then we have, so one is HTTP network fetch. Ah, okay. And the other, so we have three that's ballooning. Okay. So, the problem is that, so if you look at this file, so we have HTTP network or cache fetch. Okay, here, this guy. And we long stuff. Oh, HTTP network fetch still exists. HTTP network fetch. Okay, here. And here it's creating a readable stream. Yep. Yep. That's it. There is a lot of proxying, as it seems. So let's go going back here. So you have the stream. Okay, so you see this thing. So we have the HTTP network fetch, main fetch, and we create for each of the request, we create 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another readable stream. Yeah, 5. A lot of WHAT2G streams. A lot. Just underneath the cover. And all of these are killing the perf. Killing it. And this is slow. Okay, those are slow. And you cannot make it faster from Node. But the major point here, none of these is used like the benchmark. So the way you're using fetch, okay, it's you are doing it. This is what you're doing. So none of this is useful, okay? So main fetch. I just want to see if there is one of those that I can just avoid doing. Like, so here we have it. So this does, yeah, internal response body byte stream. Yeah. End of body. Why is doing that? Like we are creating two. Why? Controlled. Ah, because it needs to be a readable stream. Uh-huh. Controller. Okay, let me try something very odd. If I do this? What does it happen? How much stuff do I break? Okay. Let's see. In the meanwhile, there is a question from the audience. So from you. So let's talk about it. I've this is a comment from Memdrake. I just started learning Node.js and how to make scripts and stuff. For now, I only made a script to create a folder with 3 files in it. What is your take using Node as an API and game dev? Look, I've been using Node for building stuff for maybe 10 plus years. So yeah, it's great. Like it's actually built for building APIs. Game dev depends. If you're using building Node for writing servers, absolutely. Like this is fantastic. If you're using Node.js for building like the backend for services for games is great. I think if I recall correctly, Blizzard was using it at some point. I don't know if they still are, but Blizzard at some point was probably doing something like that. So for Node, because they implemented some Kafka things for this. So look, a lot of companies are using Node for everything. So what is this test? Why is this test failing? Come on, Matteo. So yeah, there is a test that's failing. So this test is failing. Oh no, not this one. Okay, I need this test. This test is failing. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Let's see. Okay. If you want to build API, if you want to start building APIs with Node, I recommend you to take a look at Fastify. Fastify, it's actually built for that, and it works fantastic. Okay, really. I know that I've built it, but I built it, so I don't know. So maybe, yeah. Finger crossed. Ooh. So I commented out a test, and bad sign, bad sign. Sorry, let's try something very simple and see if I did actually break things here. Do I have a server? Yeah, okay. So I can do node server. Okay. CP bench 11 test me.js. Okay. Here I can just command this, command that. Okay. Okay. So here and node server and then node test me. Yeah, of course. MJS. Okay. Yeah, this works. Okay. Great. Okay, so let's so if I comment that out, do I speed things up? Whoa. Yeah, OBS is okay. 17 seconds. And if I do git stash, so without that thing, that change, big question. Do you think it will take less time or more time or same time? Same time. Dang. How? Clinic flame node test me. Okay. I dropped one of those things, so seems super odd. Seems super duper odd. I truly don't know. Like, this is odd because it's still there, the transfer stream. Oh yeah, the transfer stream I need to. Oh, okay. So one is disappeared. Transfer stream case both are readable and writable probably underneath. So one disappeared, but so okay. Doing performance work is actually a lot of fun. Like, all of this makes no sense. What is this? This is actually slow. Line 46. Interesting. Okay. This is slow. Okay. So, no. Changing those lines did not alter. This is one, this is the other. Nope. HTTP network fetch. Line 1 5. Okay, let's look at that. Okay. So here it's index.js 1578. No, wait. Made a mistake. Here at index.js. Okay. Made a mistake. Okay. Let's redo the thing. It takes a lot of time, as usual, when doing any performance work to generate the yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it's there. Okay. So this is there. Is here. Okay. Okay. So node test me. Okay. Yep. Sorry. I should probably have muted. Okay. Git st. Okay. Git stash apply. Node test me. run it again. Whoa, just removing that shelved 3 seconds. Wow, okay, worth doing. Really worth doing. Now, let's generate the flame graph to confirm the difference, okay? But I don't understand what I'm removing because I'm breaking tests, breaking stuff, so. Whoa, so different. Oh gosh, let's do shit. So this is before and this is after. So this is before, this is after the change. Okay, it's still there, but a lot has been disappeared. Okay, look at it. One, the other. Okay, great. Very happy. Here it's still, yeah, main fetch 154. Yeah, way happier. Now, all of this by removing this. Let's see. Okay. Git def. It's line 181. Yep. By removing that transfer stream. Yep. That transfer stream has to go. Why? Why does it do that? Okay. So what would you spec fetch? This is the fetch standard. And so let transform stream. Yeah. This is just an identity. No, sorry, it's different. Okay. Oh, yep. We probably need to do flush. But readable stream does not have flush, does it? It does have flush. So if I do, so I do something like this, what do you think? Hi, Romain Lance. Welcome back. I have a little bit of a sore throat, and doing some fetch improvements. So currently, so this thing made this little change that made fetch. I don't know. Hi, folks. 30% faster or something. No, 30, no, but wow, a lot of people. Hello. Now it's what is going to time out. Pretty sure this is breaking something up. Yeah. Oh, but this is event source. Wait, what? Sorry. What? Why is event source failing? Yeah, I am doing refactoring. So there is a good question in the while this is going, npm is running. What's the relationship between Fastify and Platformatic? Fastify is a project at the at the OpenJS Foundation. Okay, it's community governed and it has a bunch of lead maintainers. I'm one of them. I'm also the creator. Fastify is essentially it's a framework, but it's also a library. Okay, it does not wrap your app. Okay. Platformatic instead provide you a start script, so you can actually use it to start your Node.js application, your Fastify application, but in the future others. And it provides you essentially a solution, a turnkey solution with all the things already mounted on. You can just write your own routes and you're good to go. With Fastify, you need to assemble it somehow to what you like and what you want. Hopefully, these make it clearer. Okay, back to the code. So, okay. Test, event source, reconnect. Okay. Wait. Is this failing? What? This is times out. What? Sorry. Oh. Okay. Git stash. It is passing. It's passing. Okay. Let's see what is in this test. No, not this one. Well, this one too. Let's see. Okay. Event source. What is it doing? Um, yeah, we have added the event source in Undici some months ago. Like, this makes it pass. Okay. If I apply, now it times out. Why? Okay. Let me try something slightly different. Okay. Okay. Let's do object define prototype. Yep. Get. Yep. All of this. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then return byte stream. Okay. Yep. Okay. That's me. Hmm. Whoa. What? Okay. Const old stream. Yep. This is old stream. And this is not this transform stream. Let me see. Git diff. Readable. Okay. Okay. Yep. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 10099. Okay. Oh, it's not. It's old stream. Okay. And oh, yep. If let byte stream 86 byte stream. Okay. If byte stream return byte stream, and this now it's const. Okay. Now the question is if this is slower or faster. So, big question. I think we're passing through that still. Like here, it's a row debug. Yeah, so this is useless. We can't do this approach. Sorry. If I do this, okay, and then const old stream. Yeah, old stream get reader. Body reader. Yeah. Pull. Is it the same? It times out still. Yep. It does. I have a feeling this process response end of body is not called. Process response end of body. Oh yeah, so this is okay. 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 Here now this is passing. Okay, this is passing. Response and off body. Okay. This is called. Okay. If I twinkle twinkle, if I remove this, if I move this from here to here, it's not called. Yep. That's the reason why it's not working. Okay, we need to call this out. Yep. Okay. Done. If I do this here, if I do that, what does happen? Okay. Okay. It's getting cold. Things are passing. Okay. So, and test me. Ooh, I need to remove row debug. Okay. So there is a small question in the chat. Do you know who is responsible for merging PR in Node.js SIGDIM? Well, first of all, Node.js SIGDIM is canneling the goldmine, which is a system in Node that do the work, that do the testing of a Node.js system, a Node.js version across multiple versions of the a new Node.js release across a wide range of packages, running their tests, making sure that we don't break them when we issue a new release. Who is responsible for merging them? Everybody. So if you have a PR that needs reviewing, share with me. I can probably help. So I have owner access, so I can probably lend it. But it depends on what's written in the PR. So you tell me. Okay, this is good because yeah, node test me. Okay, so before running this change, Yeah. Whoa. This is massive. Okay. Perfect. So git diff. Oh, git st. Well, wait a second. This is passing, but git stash apply. Okay. Git diff. Oh, git diff. Okay. Yeah. Git checkout this test. Git checkout this test. Node this test. It's passing. Okay. This is fantastic. If it's actually true that I can just save a lot of effort in by skipping a transform stream, and basically creating a new readable stream. Now, but do we at all? I need to check exactly what is inside this readable stream, because this is essentially a proxy for it. Okay. And I am absolutely lost on why it's needed. Why are we doing this? Okay, cool. It seems all passing. Wow. Wow. Well, it's done. All the following steps of the specs are skipped. Wait, what? Yeah. Yeah. In lieu of steps 1, 4 of the spec. Okay. The internal transform stream is not needed. Oh, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay, let me look. Okay, so wait a second. This is, in the meanwhile, I need to get a st node benchmarks. Sorry, cat package JSON. Let's do npmi cat package JSON npm run bench. Okay. While this is running my checks. Let's take a look at this PR. Okay. So, hello, I remain Adonis. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look. So, Adonis.js core. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this module. And it's one module. Okay, it's not a monorepo, which is good. Okay. Ooh, lot of peer dependencies, lot of stuff. Okay, so in order to do this, okay, what we can do, okay, these are stream modules. So in order to do this, so we go to ci.nodejs.org and let me run Canary in the gold mine. Okay, so what we could do, there is this Node.js CGIM and then the smoker, and there is where is it? Build with parameters. Okay, now here you can put the, if you want CGM all, okay. Then if you want to do, we can do CGIM. They need to pass, okay. So let's start with, let's run all of those three. So Adonis.js core, one build. Okay, so copy link. Adonis.js core 1. Then it's, I need to get these other modules, so fold, and I need to build with parameter, cgim, Adonis.js fold, okay, 147. So then the third one is Adonis.js HTTP server. And they will take a long time. So here we go. And Adonis.js HTTP server. If this pass, if the above pass, we can land this PR. If not, you should fix the tests failures and or limit the, no, you will not, Romain, no, you will not be able to do it yourself. So you were actually right in pinging me, because otherwise nobody would have done it, like literally. So if the above pass, we can land this PR. If not, we should fix the relative failures. You should and or limit the platforms that you are targeting. Okay. Wait for the checks, and so all of Node.js infra is built on Jenkins. So this is, we have a lot of runners, a lot of things. So anyway, it is that. So it seems the benchmarker is still running 106%, with my OBS consuming quite a lot of it. Cool. Yeah, it's processing a lot of requests. So cool. I have a lot of issues. 68 here, and here 180. Lot of stuff. This can be archived. Lot of work, folks. Lot of work. Cool. So in the meanwhile, I can do git add dash u. Okay. So now look at it. Look at our fetch. Now it's blasting out request and node fetch and Axios. Yep. On the rise. On the rise. Up and onwards. Pretty impressive. Okay. So I am going to open up a new window. Here. Git checkout dash b improve fetch skip transfer stream form. Fetch. Okay. Okay. This is okay. In the meanwhile, git checkout main, and let's run it again. Oh no, not here. On this other window. Okay. npm run bench. Okay. Other window, so I can keep this data here. Very interesting. Okay. So I'm doing this. Kafra Ultrapack run skips the creation transform stream, which showed up glowing in the following flame graph. Okay. Okay. After this patch, preview. Okay. No, I need to extend it because after here it went there. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Perfect. So main fetch has become moved from being very big to being very small. Okay. And 5 is still going. So where is it? And marks wise. Main. Main. And preview. Okay. Not main, this PR. Main, which is currently running, if I'm guessing. Okay. Test me. I'll have it. So if you take 20 milliseconds, so 20 divided by 16, okay, so it's 20 minus 25%. Nope. 20%. Yep. Exactly. Okay. So a nice 20% speed up. Okay, this finished. You see, but this is odd. It did something funky here. Because God was way faster. So on the GFetch 6605, and here it's didn't improve at all. So notify good node. Node test me. Oh, lot of comments. Okay, I need to look. Lot of very interesting comments over there. I need to look at them. Okay, this is this. Okay, git stash apply. Oh, no, not the stash. I made it wrong. Remove. No, what's the name of the branch? Sorry, which I was pushing. Skip transform. Okay. Okay. Benchmark. Fetch. But this is using the body, so this is will always have. Okay, this will not be impacted. Okay. Okay. Cool. So no point. Okay, no point. Okay. Note that our benchmark use, well, it should have though. It should have. So, okay, let me get it. So this is our old stuff. This is the one for main. Let me run the ones. Okay, so this is main. Okay, let's run. Okay. Okay. Let's run this because this is odd. And you can see why it's odd because the dispatch one is here super way higher. So that's why I am concerned. I will need to rerun them on my server machine, by the way. So in the meanwhile, let's take a look at the while they run. Let's take a look at the chat. So from Julian R44. Hi Matteo. I am. Let me open up the chat so you can actually see what I'm reading. It might be nice. Here we go. Here you go. Okay. So, hey Matteo, I've got a question for you. I made a Node.js hook, and I'm using the load hook to ingest some code. Some code. The problem is when used with TS Node or TSX, it breaks source map. Is there a way to solve this? I'm not super familiar with how source map work. My solution was to just minify the injected code in a single line, and it seems to work, but a bit hackish. Yeah, would love to see this. Okay. Would love to my opinion. I've made hot hook. Basically, it's allow HMR in Node.js by using the query parameter ACK to bust the cache. Yeah, that's what we are doing in Platformatic. So we in Platformatic using the query parameter thing to bust the cache, essentially. Works great, to be honest. I think everybody's cooking something better for Node. So stay tuned because I think something better will arrive in Node for this sooner rather than later. So it's this library. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, you're adding this auth stuff, auth hook. Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know how to play with TSX. I don't know, to be honest. I have no clue. Like, I have absolutely no idea on how it will all work with the source maps. To be honest, yeah. Basically, there's need to be something about source map, something here that you can tell that you have injected this thing into TypeScript. Now, how are you loading this? So, a solution for this, it would be to flip it. Oh, I understand the problem. So TSX generated your source maps, and now you need to essentially, to be honest, The solution would be you flip this. So you load register and then you load the other one. But then I don't think you can load the TS file anymore. So generically, though, I don't think it's a good pattern. Okay, now this makes a lot more sense. Okay. It did not improve. Yeah. Nope. It didn't. And the reason why is because it's consuming the stream anyway. So, but it should be. It should have been. Something is not adding up here. So these numbers, so the one that we have before are somewhat similar, okay? But main seemed to have way faster recovery sec, way faster. Even though it makes no sense. Let's do this, okay? Let's pop it into my, okay. Okay, cd only c. Okay, git checkout main, git pull, oh, git stash, git pull, npmi, git stash, git checkout main, git pull, npmi, cd benchmarks, npmi. Okay, npm run bench. Oh, only c benchmarks npmi. Okay. If it is. Okay. Okay. Let's run this on the server so that htop. Yep. It's running. Not even 100% of CPU. Okay. Easy. Yeah, let's run this on the server because I am pretty sure I'm doing something odd. I'm getting two-way of askew on my machine. So let's run it again and see what we can do. But look. Okay, while we were at it, here what the next one, it's HTTP network fetch. What is this thing doing? V8. 1,700. Let's take a look. Okay. Fetch index. Okay. Here. This thing, it's eating it up. What's consuming here so much time? Oh, wait. Okay, we have no body, so it's not coming through here. There is a make response. So make response might be the cause, but look, here it is. Haha. There is a readable stream here, which might be the source of the problem. It won't be the here. There is also headers. Headers list. So headers list. Ha! Well, interesting because it's also so it's showing up here actually. Okay, this is odd. It's using a readable here. Ah, yeah, of course, because I need to be a stream. Okay, to pass through all the decoders. Okay. Headers list. Huh. So this might not be this big of a problem. Well, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. These run. Okay. So this is main. Okay. Okay. Skip transform. Okay. So, hey, I'm on Linux. So here, interesting stuff. So this seems very hard to optimize because this is doing a lot of interesting things. But so right now there are things left to optimize. There is this request constructor, which I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, this request constructor, HTTP network fetch, which it's the main thing that does all the stuff. So I don't know where we're wasting a lot of time here. Okay. And then it's in this readable stream, which is problematic, like 1, 2, and 3, essentially. Why is the request taking so long? Okay, let's see. Maybe there is something here. Okay. Class request. Okay, we have a new URL. Okay. Then there is a make request. Sorry. What? So here, this is okay. This creates another URL. Okay. It's doing a lot of things. How long is this module? Oh my gosh. Creates an abort controller. What? Even a weakref? Like, okay. What? Okay. Okay. Extract body. Init body, we have no body. So not this one. Ooh. Yeah, no. This is good. Okay. What is happening here? This method is so long. So long. This some WebDL stuff. But look. So long. Like, why create abort signal is slow in core? What? Like, sorry, this should not be. This should not be. This is bananas. Like, how can you even phantom? Headers is here, so headers list. Headers list, they are here. So this dot, this. No. Hmm. Like, I need to understand where this is spending so much time in this. Like, which part of this should be make request? Should have to. Should have to be make request. Yeah. But it's not errors list, no? Okay, let's see if this is finished. Okay. Yeah, you see, it got slower. No, it got faster. Come on. No, it got faster. Okay. So 500 is about 10%. So it's more. Yeah, it's about 10%. Yeah. Improves our benchmark by 10%. It shortens the following. Okay, this one, it's a go. Okay. And yeah, pretty impressed. So there is a nice question in the chat. So JavaScript is not my main stack, current Scala, so low knowledge about JavaScript. I'm always confused about module types, CommonJS, Module.js. Some problems got type modules, some projects don't have. Some projects use CJS, some projects use .mjs. It's about runtime support, but we didn't get any standard right away from projects. So, okay, so let me explain what happened, okay? So everybody was used to call things .js. And this was a long time ago. It's called scripts, is what we use on the web most of the time. Those files have been as a certain specific syntax. Okay, now what happened was then in that word, a standard emerged called CommonJS, invented by a group of server-side runtime. This was before Node exploded, and it became the flavor became what Node.js is running. After that, the TC39 took a look and said, "Oh, the modules, we can standardize modules," and they standardized them, but they made a, from my point of view, a problematic choice. They put in, they said, well, from the web, from the browser, you can differentiate between the old syntax. So they make a change in the syntax. Okay, new modules have a change, different syntax. The new syntax is different from the previous one, and they said, well, the browsers can choose which one you want if by specifying a different comment in the script tag. So the browser knows immediately which one to pick. And they created a grammar that is very hard to disambiguate between one versus the other. Okay? So, yeah, that's what happened. Okay? And Node.js didn't want to try to disambiguate the grammar because it's not Node.js choice to do. And so it said, well, we have CommonJS, now we can call them CJS. And then we have and the new modules are called MJS script, and you can run them. If you want to convert to use the JS syntax to flip the default of .js from CommonJS to modules, you need to put type module in your package JSON. So hopefully give you an answer for that. Hopefully makes sense. Okay. So this is my PR. Hopefully, folks will review the PR. We get 10% more, 20% more speed in fetch. So I have no idea why it's in here. So let me answer the question from the spec. So implementation in okay. So good, but more interesting question. Okay, that's what we did in our implementation. Okay. Seems okay. So there are more questions about modules. So let's go back and try to answer them. Okay. So talking about modules. Okay. So why we keep common CJS as default for JS.js? Well, we keep that because backward compatibility. We don't want to break all the application. Okay, it would be a massive breakage. It will break all of npm if we did. So that's the problem. So yeah. That thing. Question from RQ Bazan. Hi Matteo, could you give me a little overview about the changes that entered the stream? So what we did, we took this stream, the change here. Okay, here we go. So we skipped the creation of a transmos stream in fetch. So there was these steps on the spec, and I ripped them off. Okay, it's an identity stream. It does nothing. Okay, and I added this thing at the end of it. Okay, so yeah. A test is timing out, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, that's it. That's what it is. And this is a 20% faster spec. So this is it. I got some interesting speed up. Like this is 20% more throughput. Like now a test is failing, but maybe it's passing everywhere. So it seems a flaky one. Cool. I'm going out for dinner. So thank you very much for watching this. Hopefully you found it instructive. I've done a little bit of an optimization to fetch, which still a long way to go, but I'm very happy about it. So yeah, there's still a long way to go. Long way. But I don't know. We will get there. We'll get there. I'm very much positive. Very, very positive. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye. 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 Bye.